Hi, this is Pamela and I'm from Fujifilm Business Innovation. In this video I'm going to show you how to change the staples in the D6 finisher. We open the finisher door. First staples we see are R1 and a little arrow there that you pinch, pull out. When it's empty you pull this forward, that pops off, you put a brand new one in with staples, push that back in, and then you slide the staples back in. Along with the staples is a waist that you can see from the arrow from lock to unlock. You push the arrow that way and with your fingers pull out the unit, which would have the waist in there. When you order staples, you get staples plus a waist. The waist pops back in there and then you just slide it across to lock it. The second lot of staples are your booklet maker staples. Booklet maker staples are located here for your saddle stitch. You push it down and out, and that's your staples there. You get your new one back in, you push it down, line up the arrows and push in. Same with the back. Down and out, in and lock. And then you slide the door back in and close the front door. And that's how you change the staples in the D6 finisher.